Look at Kim's lips. Okay, now Shay Mitchell's. Okay, now look at Chloe's lips. All three of those looks were done by my favorite celebrity makeup artist, Ash K. Home. I FaceTime Ash and I said, can you teach me your lip technique that you do on these celebrities? She taught me everything she does. She does not gatekeep. You need a lip liner that's a rosy nude, not a pink nude. Then you need a liner that's a brown. Then you need a lip plumper and you need a brush. Couple things that are crucial in this lip technique. She thinks of a brat's lips when she does it, but the color, she goes back to the Victoria's Secret angel days. So she says, she thinks of the inside of the lip, which is a very natural pink, but it's natural, and that's the color she tries to imitate. So when I said, oh, you want just me to get a nude lip liner? She said, no, I want you to get a rosy nude. Then you draw a V up here. Even if her client doesn't have a defined Cupid's bow, she'll draw it. But only up here, that's it. Then you need a lip brush. With the lip brush, she'll bring it in, trust the process with this, okay? She'll bring it inwards. With the brush, I'm just bringing it inwards. So these parts are actually my line, but this part is not. Here, it's below, and that's the only part she did. And then with the brush, she brings it in inwards. So she cinches in this little part as well. Okay, already, that lip shape, hold on. Okay, this is not the same, but we're getting there. These are plumping lip liners, by the way. Then she goes in with the lip on the sides. She fills it in because these celebrities, they go out, they drink, they talk, and they need their lip color to be there for hours. So I'm just smacking it together. Then you take a brown shade. This is supposed to be for our contour, but you don't put it everywhere. At that angle, okay? We want a sharp angle. I have a mirror here because this part's really important. Then I go very lightly and then very, very clean line, very small line, and I give it a little bit of a definition. I don't want it to look like a lip liner, but like a gradient effect. Now we have to put it to the test. So I'm gonna do a lip flip like this. Yeah, that color, I think we passed the test. Take a good lip plumper and then we're gonna put it everywhere. On top and bottom lip. Dab it in. Okay, this is me a couple minutes ago before the Ash K. Home lip technique. And this is with the Ash K. Home lip technique. And I told you to trust the process that I used. This, this is made by Ash K. Home herself. This is a Buxom holiday kit. It's called A-List Lips. This is not a paid partnership. I did it with whatever I had at home. If you see the videos, it's like random breads. But then I asked her, what do you use? And she said the products that I made. And it's called A-List Lips by Buxom. And this is like a holiday special. So this is limited edition. So I really quickly got it to film it for you guys. Love you. And like always, forehead kiss.